Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Updates use data and should not be interrupted. Once ready, open Settings and go directly to Software Update or Google Play System entries. This is faster than hunting through menus. You want to be signed into the Google account tied to Play services so permissions and versions match. Now tap the Google Play System entry to check for updates. This initiates the first automated check and prepares the device to download necessary components. Once you tap Check for updates, let the phone download over Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges. The system bundles patches into one package for reliability. Make sure to grant any permissions Play services requests so the installer can run. Without permissions, the update can stall. After download completes, you will see Install or Restart options. Choose Install and allow the device to reboot if required. This installs the system update components into the Play Services framework, improving stability and security. After installation, verify the new version under Google Play System to ensure success. This confirms the updated security patches and services. If something went wrong, clear the cache for Google Play Store and Google Play Services and reboot, because cached files can block new components. Once done, recheck for updates. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app interference. You can then uninstall a problematic app or retry the update to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.